Well guys, this is it. It's what time is it? It is 6:25. We're headed out of camp to go get breakfast at Whitney Portal. Slept pretty good last night. I fell asleep very fast. I was tired and didn't get a lot of sleep. So I think I feel a lot better. So we're gonna be headed out for the last 3.9 miles.
I recommend having boots like these is to protect your ankles from breaking.
Yeah, there was at least twice that I really twisted my foot and my feet saved.
Yeah, I had it happen to me a couple times where if it weren't for these boots, I probably would have twisted or broken it. So I'm not surprised that your ankle is a bit sore. That's why I will never ever use trail runners. I will never ever recommend them. And then there are those who are the ultra marathon runners who are running the entire Raised Lake loop in one day.
No.
You were asking for injury, and here's a lot of mud. Oh shoot! I almost went in. Jeez. That would not have been a good way to end the trip. I can see Lone Pine Lake, so I can get a decent view here. Oh, somebody lost their hat.
Are you recording me?
No, I just started. Ew, it looks smoky down there.
It looks what?
Smoky.
Oh, yeah.
Must be from a fire. Be careful. It's like a jungle. Yep, and humid. So we're roughly about a mile out with a little less than 500 feet elevation lost now before we are out. We can see the road, we can see the cars, but we're not there yet. Alright, we're coming out at the portal. But not before a few more steps. Now, we'll weigh our packs, but mine will be a little bit heavier than normally would have been because I carried all the food up with me to make her pack lighter. But yeah. All right. Beth, where are you going? You're gonna weigh your pack. Mine's like 38. That's with the extra stuff. You're 34. No, you're 34.
Looks like 35 too.
No, it's below.
Oh.
Yeah.